Dancing communicate your future. Dancing communicate the layers of your emotions. Can I get a hallelujah? Dancing is so important. That's why we place supreme importance on dancing. Ladies and gentlemen, a lady is going to come out right now. And she fear dancing different from the dancing where it say with the lady who did a dance when the people did not prefer. I want different dancing she has come with. This lady, she has been dancing since she a 3-year-old. She has danced professionally. And she has never stopped. She has been through some ups and downs. And now she is a recognized, acclaimed, internationally renowned dancer, representing Jamaica, representing the history of the country, representing the diversity of our nation, representing the pluses and the minuses, representing the negatives and the positives. Her entire body is a force of communication for what we stand for as a people. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage one of the greatest dancers the world has ever seen. And her name is also a beautiful, sophisticated, intellectually challenging name. Her name is Scalisha. Come closer, come closer. Oh God, what's Scalisha? Hold them. Scalisha, well on then. Stay about Scalisha. You know more than me. Big up yourself. You understand? Big up your green hair and all these things. You're coming and plan now, you know. What do you? What do you want, one? Me here say, you can't wine good. And for you come up on the stage, me say you go on with no farmer sample whining here. So right now, you hear me limited selector. Me wanna stop there. Me just want you play a bad whining dancehall tune. Me not care which one you want to play a bad whining dancehall tune. And if you flop, we're gonna done you. And that me I tell you. If you flop, we're gonna done you, Scalisha. Oh, you have silicone breast, that even look for you. What track one right now? And some whining we want to say, any of your whining you turn up. Go just asleep. Tune you no limited, nobody eat with the thing. What the tune then, man? Come on.
Yo, keep the one God.
Alright, Scalisha. Let me see what you got.
You said the dancing move your waistline. Every girl of your time.
Oh, I know Scalisha, keep go.
Ready, me girl, who are the real good as them step forward and wine. Every good body girl just broke out cause of your time. Man, I promise you the world anytime they see out.
Let me see how you go.
And that get you mad cause you want every time. Broke it on. Make girl the sugar stick anytime them want it. Never look me over in a heart for girl me plant it. She don't let me drive her insane, but when I complain she a complain. Cause she love it in a winter, love it in a summer, want it when it's sun and rain. Make it pop the sugar stick cause she no stop call me. In the wee hours of the morning she no ramp and annoy me. She says she want broke off piece of it because it's nicer than the chocolate. And I know she's a
It's a foolishness. You know, it's the last year coming and you're going with one bag of something. And then when me there Jamaica, me here, you walk and I pass remarks about me. Me go London, you walk and I pass remarks about me. And me never say nothing about both of you. You done Raga Shanty at Jamaica Jam Down Festival. You fling sweet wine for me and me couldn't manage it. We are going to say, who can manage what right now? Give me the country.
I got it. Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Yeah. Come wine to the rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your back, rock off your back.
Yo, this is JV.HDTV, not stupidness. I'm the legend himself there, so. You see what? Yo, yes, why time? At the boss time, Professor Nuts. Me there live witness the boss perform. Years I don't see the general perform, so you don't know. New York with Jamaica 55, happy independence of Jamaica, not stupidness. Our place, chill on me born and grow. Enough sufferation, a boy you got show. JV, we not give up. Oh. If we not reach this year, next year not pass. Professor Turbo, Rugo.
Rugo that.
No, not.